of your boring old clothes but don't want to go out and spend a ton on a whole new wardrobe? We've got some hacks that will take your clothes from drab to fab in no time. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Now, on to DIY clothing hacks that you will love. Embellished collar. For this one, you will need a few things: a shirt with a collar, faux pearls, beads, and a glue gun. Pour out all of your faux pearls on one side of the shirt and the beads on the other. Spread them out a bit. Position the faux pearls where you want them on the collar and glue them down. Do the same with the beads. You can play around with shapes and colors and mix and match however you like. Ribbon time! Use self-adhesive ribbon for the edge if you really want to get fancy. Repeat with the other side. You can even add a strip down the center of the shirt. It's so classy. Now go and show off your beautiful collar. Pom-pom sweater. Gather up a sweater, some pom-poms, and safety pins. Unfold your sweater and lay it out flat on the table. Place the pom-poms wherever you want them on the sweater. Bring out the safety pins. We're going to use them to pin down those pom-poms. Stick the pin through the back of the pom-pom and then through the shirt. You can cover the pin completely with the pom-pom so no one will even see it. Repeat with all of the little balls and you're finished. Go out and enjoy your new festive sweater. You'll be the life of any party. Glitter Galaxy shoes. So, what you will need is some shoes, glitter paint, and more glitter paint. Draw horizontal lines with the paint across the top of the shoes. Now, do the same thing in between those lines with another color. Mix it all together. If you use a brush, you will have an easier and more even application. Spread it all out. Add more glitter. Oh, a little more couldn't hurt. Okay, maybe a lot more. And we are done! What glitter colors will you use? Upcycled cutout shirt. You will need a t-shirt for this project, but also scissors and a pencil. Mark 2 inches around the neckline of the shirt. Let's speed this up. Now, cut along the marked lines. Be careful not to poke yourself. Once you finish, gently stretch the cutouts. You can use your whole hand to do this, but remember, be gentle. Et voila! You have a cool new shirt and you didn't have to spend any money. Enjoy! T-shirt bag. Lay a t-shirt out. Mark a curved line across the sleeves. Cut those sleeves off. Cut, 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 cut. This could take a minute. Get those sleeves out of here. Cut off the neckline as well. Make fringes by cutting little slits all along the bottom of the shirt. Once you've cut out all the fringes, tie them together in small knots. Repeat this all across the shirt. Make sure the knots are tight. Now you can put your things in and go. Isn't this a cool bag? Upcycle t-shirt to scarf. All you will need for this DIY is a t-shirt and scissors. Lay out the t-shirt so that it is flat on whatever surface you are using. Measure and mark off 1-inch segments on the side of the t-shirt. Cut the marked lines. Repeat on the other side. Make sure that you cut both sides evenly. Gently stretch out the cuts that you made. Loop the shirt around once to make a smaller scarf. Here comes the cool part. You can add some awesome pins for extra fun. Stylish! Make your own canvas sneakers. First, you will need some blank canvas sneakers, scissors, and fabric markers. Switch out the shoes for a piece of paper that is folded in half. Cut out the shape that you want. Lay it onto the shoe to see how it will look. Fill up the shoe with scrap paper. Unfinished homework will work too. Now put the shape that you cut out back on the shoe. Hold it down and use it as a stencil to trace the outline. It's time to unleash your creativity. Go crazy! You can do whatever you want. We're just going to add something here, and here, and here. We can't stop! Look how they turned out. Cute, right? And the best part is that no one else will have them. That's it for DIY clothing hacks that you will love. Which hacks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching and see you next time.